Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechPress. Today, let's get started with this new application from the actual Google. Now, Google Antigravity refers to two completely different things because there's an Easter egg and a brand new AI developer tool. Depending on which one you are looking for, here's how you can get them for free. Now, the Antigravity Easter egg, Antigravity. This is, for example, like a classic browser trick that makes the Google homepage elements collapse and float around with there is no gravity, and you can drag and drop the logo buttons and search for the actual result. If you go, for example, Google and go for Antigravity into the search bar, you don't want to press enter. So let's say, for example, let's go here for google.com. I go for Google Antigravity. And into the search bar, I don't press enter, I click into the option that says I am feeling lucky. Nowadays, I believe that this one actually doesn't work that well. So the next step, of course, is to focus into the antigravity.google. So the Google Antigravity is now the name of the Google official agent's first coding platform. So to get this totally for free, you go for antigravity.google. Inside here, you want to, of course, download the installer from your OS, Windows, Macs, or Linux. Usually, depending on the actual device that you're currently using, it will be leaving you now with the actual, in my case, of course, Windows. So I click into Windows, and now it says Antigravity for Windows. You have here the Windows element. You can download the ARM64 or the X64. And here I have the minimum requirements. In my case, I wanted to be focusing only for the Windows experience and go for the 64. Now into the upper right corner, you can see that the downloading of the actual Antigravity will be appearing directly inside here. So it's just a matter of waiting a little bit to see where the Antigravity will be downloaded. During the current public preview phase, Google offers an individual plan for $0 per month, which includes the generous rate limits for the Gemini 3 Pro model. Now, this is totally depending on the country you are currently living. Sometimes this one is not available for all of different countries, or even the individual plan can cost a little bit more for different countries. So the individual plan have the public preview, for example, which is only like a preview. We have the $0 per month, a plan for anyone who wants to build. This one includes the agent model, access to Gemini 3.1 Pro, the Flash, the Cloud Sonnet, Opus, unlimited task completions, unlimited command requests, and generously weekly rate limits, which can be really helpful when it comes to getting started with the Google Antigravity. Now, the developer plan, for example, leveraged as a daily driver via the Google AI Pro, you can get an actual plan for the developer plan or for the actual team plan. This is totally depending on how would you like to use this to get started. And you wanted to choose a Google account in order to get an actual plan. For this, we'll be needed to have the Google One application, Google One plan, in order to get started, which in my case, the best version will be the Google AI Pro. So you have the Google Antigravity, you have Gemini, Flow, Whisk, 100 or 1000 monthly AI credits, Google Search, Notebook, Gmails, and so much more stuff. So let's only stick around with the free individual plan version. Once the upper right corner Antigravity has now been correctly installed, you want to click into this option that says Antigravity.x installation processed. Here you want to accept and to the actual agree of the terms. The destination location, I won't be moving anything here, I just leave this by default. Continue clicking to the create menu folder. I don't create a start menu folder. And here, usually I register as an editor, add a path, and there we go. Next, install. This will be taking more than even 1 minute. Now, one of the key features here is that you can spawn AI agents to build entire application while the user is supervised. The built-in browser is that the AI can open the browser window to test the website it is just built just for you. And the terminal sandboxing. It runs code in a safe sandbox, so you won't mess up your actual computer files. So which one are you will be looking for? You can let me know into the comments below. With this process, what I just need to do is to wait till the anti-gravity setup has now been correctly installed into my computer. Once again, if you wanted to try out the developer plan or the 2 plan, you must have a Google One Plus available yet. Sometimes the Google One has different plans that you can try it out for 3 months totally for free, or even they have, let's say for example, like 50% off for different 2 months, and then the actual price will be changing into the actual 3rd month. So you wanted to take that in mind in order to get started with the Google Anti-Gravity. Now I'm going to close this element. I'm going to head back directly for the Google Anti-Gravity, and you can see now that the actual Google Anti-Gravity has now been correctly installed into my computer. So just like that, what I need to do is to wait just a few seconds and hit into the option that says finished. Meanwhile, I have the availability to go for a launched activity. So hit for finished, and just like that, the Anti-Gravity will be now signed in directly with my computer. And there it is, guys. That is how we can actually get the Google Anti-Gravity totally for free. Whether you wanted to use the trial mode with a developer or a team plan, or you wanted to use the individual plan, which has a little bit of few of the restrictions when you try it out with this individual free plan. So don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to receive more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you next time.